Hello everyone watching, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today you're looking at a motherboard repair that I attempted. The phone is not booting and doesn't have voltage on the main power line VDD main present, which led me to deduce that the main charger chip from where the battery is connected to and then outputs VDD main is defective. And so as you can see here, we're going to be desoldering it and resoldering it, of course reballing it as well from a donor board that is known to boot and is functioning. And as you can see, I'm going to use a lower temp metal alloy so that I can easily wick off later each pad, flattening everything so that we can install a brand new chip. I unfortunately knocked two capacitors while doing it, kind of annoying as it takes a lot of time, more than what you're seeing it take since this is all edited and probably at 5x speed. So yeah, and here you can see me, I'm doing a newer method that I don't normally do, is using my hot air rework station and then grabbing the wick to, wick up all that solder that is left. I kind of personally like it better, as when I usually use my soldering iron, it usually leaves the pads kind of gray and oxidized, which is going to prevent from bonding later down the line, and you might want to scrape the pad to make a better connection. And as you can see here, we're reballing the chip, and this was very easy and very satisfying. Got this from a different donor board that just completely brain dead, and line it into position, put some flux on the edge, and rely completely on surface tension to and hot air to just completely go around the chip itself, and it's just gonna reflow into to its position, which is just nice. And then we're going to prompt the phone to boot, and as you can see, there's actually amperage. You can see the power supply on the arrow that's being pointed at, and we have a working phone in comparison to brain dead when prompt to boot. And as you can see, you have the battery connector, which goes straight to this chip, which is going to, I guess, you can think of it as like an input, and then from there, I like to imagine this is how VDD main is outputted, and that's going to power that main chip, which also sends a bunch of power rails to different functions of your phone, and mainly the CPU, which overall is responsible for the whole boot sequence of the phone. That being said, thank you for watching and have a nice day.